You struggled in the past with germinating your seeds like I did? If so, you're in luck. But before we get started, there's one thing I want to let you know. I put a link down in the description below for this year's Botanical Journey playlist. It's in real time. You can follow step by step throughout the season. That way, you do not miss anything. I wanted to change it up a little bit this year to increase my chances of success. So, one thing I'm changing is I'm not going to be using tap water. I placed some buckets outside to collect the rain, the ice, the snow. Hopefully, we'll be able to use that throughout the whole seed starting season. So, let us know. The second thing is I changed up the mix that I'm going to use, the growing medium. Because last year I had a lot of fungus gnats and mites. So I'm going to change it up, and I'm going to be going with the Sunshine Mix number 4. First you want to moisten your soil. So I'm going to fill this bowl real quick. Of that Sunshine Mix. This bowl fits perfectly for filling the trays I need. I'm going to add that rainwater. I'm going to mix. And you'll be able to feel the consistency coming together. Get that. No water dripping out, but it holds together. Get the trays that we're going to use. We'll start filling them up. For these seeds, we're going to be using a 231 cell tray. It's a deep cell root trainer. We're going to fill this up. After you have all the cells filled, I usually take another tray similar to that one, place it right on top, and press it down. Give a spot for the seeds to lay on. Now we'll be ready for our seeds. Starting 2 types of onions. The Walla Walla and the candy, sweet yellow. We'll try to get 1 seed per cell, but if we have more than that, that's fine. But if we get 1 per cell, it just makes it easier. When you plant them out, you don't have to separate them. The roots are tough, but sometimes they get entangled. So this just saves a lot of time. Making sure that you have 1 per. We'll finish up this row and then we'll finish the rest off camera, and I'll show you an important change we made. I used to cover these with vermiculite, but the roots don't dig down deep and the tops flop over a little bit. So I decided that we're just going to cover it with some soil to give it a better stand. So we'll just cover these up lightly. Gives it a little bit more soil contact. Want to gently put this over the top. You don't want to disturb the seeds. Press it down. Good contact. Soil. about a week to 10 days, they should be sprouted. We'll check back. Subscribe and good things will come your way.